This question asks us to differentiate this expression with respect to x. But before we begin, there's something that we should recognize, and that is, to be able to take the square root of this number, you need x take a over x plus a to be a positive number. Now when does that happen? That happens when either both of these numbers are negative, or which means that x has to be less than negative a, or when both of these numbers are positive, which happens when x is bigger than a. So, in other words, we need to put a condition here that our absolute value of x must be greater than a. If a is then the absolute, it must be greater than a. Otherwise, it just doesn't work. But anyway, that's something that's just a condition for this to exist in the first place. So if this is fulfilled, we can differentiate it. So as we looked at last time, the key to differentiating any logarithm is, rather than trying to do this horrible chain rule followed by a quotient rule, we simplify it first. So we let y equal to ln of the square root of x minus a over x plus a. And then what is this the same thing as? Well, this is equal to ln of x minus a over x plus a to the power of a half. So now, using my laws of logarithms, I can bring that half down the front, and also using the laws of logarithms, this divided by sign here, the divisor, can become a subtraction. So I get a half bracket ln x take a minus ln x plus a. Fantastic. So now we can differentiate this mess. What do we get? dy by dx. So let's keep that half out the front. Then, in my brackets, I differentiate this with respect to x. What do I get? I get 1 over x minus a times the derivative of this, which is 1. That's pretty cool. So minus, and then 1 over x plus a, again, times the derivative of this, turns out to be 1 again. Excellent, so that was nice and easy. Let's put it all into the same denominator now. So if I do that, what do I get? I get x plus a minus x minus a over x plus a, x minus a. So let me just move down a bit. So this is the same thing as a half times x minus x, so that cancels. I'm left with 2a over, and this is our difference of squares, x squared minus a squared. Then this 2 and the half are going to cancel. I'm left with the answer a over x squared minus a squared. And we are finished.